Now, Sheria Mtaani and Shadrack Wambui has filed a very urgent constitutional petition before the Environment and Land Court, the purpose of which is to ensure that we support the government in enforcing some of the cabinet resolution that it made, particularly one that was made on the 11th day of November 2025. The cabinet resolved that, taking notice that we are living in very harsh economic times, that we have a number of individuals who have settled in land schemes, people who have taken loans against those titles, and their inability to service these loans because of the harsh economic times. So there was a resolution made by the cabinet that moving forward, those interests will be waived, the loans that had accrued will be subsidized. However, since the passing of that resolution, and nothing has been done. And while the government believes in the bottom-up economic model, it still appears that despite a resolution meant to safeguard, to protect, and to cushion the common man, the man that is at the bottom of the economic ladder, there has not been any action taken thus far. Therefore, we have approached the Honorable Court in an attempt to force the government through its departments to enforce the resolution that was passed by the cabinet. So for that reason, we have moved the court and sought for the judicial review order of mandamus. Basically, the order of mandamus is one that is issued against public bodies meant to compel them to do that which they are by law supposed to do. So we are hoping that the Honorable Court, the judges are sitting in the Environment and Land Court, will be pleased to expedite the hearing and determination of this petition so that we can help the government in protecting the law and the downtrodden in our community. The instances that we have seen in the recent past, where citizens are unable to pay loans, where citizens are unable to service the high and huge interest rates that are given against the properties. That, I think, was one thing that the cabinet was aimed at removing altogether. But because of the inaction of certain state departments, the common man remains exposed. He remains at the whims and mercies of the lenders, and that is why Sheria Mtaani and Shadrack Wambui, under the leadership of our patron, Mr. Danstan Omari, we have taken up this responsibility to ensure that we protect the common man.